For the past 7 months, I have posted nothing, but now I am back in the game. This video is not about some tips or millionaire habits or the fucking morning routine, but it's about me. How I'm starting everything from zero and how you can too. You do not need another morning routine. What you actually need that is the discipline that will keep you far, that will help you to work your ass off, that will help you to go through the sleepless nights working on your goals, on your dreams. That's the actual thing that you need. No fancy. Straight to the point. The reason I gave up because I have posted so many videos but I never got more than 10 views. And I started to thinking that it's never going to work out for me. So as the human behavior, I quit. And that was the mistake I made because everything could have changed in 7 months. My life has been completely transformed if I was consistent. Consistency is the real deal. Consistency is what takes you to win. That's how you win. Now, you might be thinking, but whatever I do, it is hard. So what? It is supposed to be hard. If it was easy, everyone could have it. It is meant to be hard so that you can push past your limits to win it. You want to achieve something in your life too. You too also want to live those flashy luxury lives. You too also want that. You too want those cars, your dream cars. But how? Because it has been more than 2 years since you have been saying that this is going to be your year. But it never changes. Everything is same as before because you have made the same mistakes again and again. If you want change, you have to change. Alright? Nothing changes if nothing changes. Alright, now the best way to rebuild yourself, to make money, to make real money in 2026 is to learn a skill, then sell it. You heard me right. Learn a skill and then sell it. It's not dropshipping, it's not affiliate marketing or SMMA or AI, something like that, but learn a skill and then sell it. For example, I am learning copywriting now. You can learn it too, or you can learn anything else like content creation or email marketing, website development, whatever, but learn something that you can sell. This will be an asset, and now I'm telling you, you won't believe it, but it's really important for you. No one going to believe in you, but you have to believe in yourself, alright? That's the main point. Do not miss out on that. You have to take the action, man. You have to take the action. Oh, but I like motivation. You don't have time. You'd never have time. You'd never have enough time. You might be thinking, I will do it later, but never, you aren't going to do it never if you don't do it now. Do it. Learn something. You have to trust the process, bro. Put your faith in the process and you will see the results very soon. As soon as you start learning, as soon as you will earn. If you want change, bro, you have to push your ass to work. That's the only way. Consistency will make you win. Alright? I'm repeating again. Consistency is the main thing that will help you to achieve whatever you want. I know it will be hard at first, but believe me, it is going to be alright. There are two choices. You do it or you don't do it. And if you don't do it, that's the regret. That's the regret that you will feel at the end. So, if you do it, there are two possibilities. You actually win or you don't. But if you don't do it, it's 100% sure that you are never going to win. So, keep focus, lock in, and make yourself, push yourself, work. Work is really what you need. And for your excuse that I don't know what to do, learn a skill. Learn it and then sell it. There's very much opportunity online on these apps, Instagram, TikTok. So learn it and sell it if you really want to achieve something. Or just sit back as you have finished the video, go back to doom scrolling, see those motivational content and feel like you have done something or doing something, but in reality, you are still at the same place. Nothing is changing because you are still there, your mindset is still there. You have to do something else, you have to do another, you have to choose another way if you really want something. I cannot force you to work, you have to do it by yourself. Lock in and you will see how everything changes. 6 months is all you need. 6 months of full discipline, consistency, and work, and everything is going to change. Lock in.